Muje Chacha Wideshi. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look. River rock. Wow.
One more time.
Vagator bus. Watch out. Hey, attention. Good evening, peoples. Here from Mumbai, the good bay here in India, as we walk past a UNESCO heritage site that is the old Victorian railway station. How's it going, guys?
Nice, bro.
All good? Namaskar. And at this majestic station here in this normally very busy city, but this evening quite calm, we are going to say goodbye to Bombay as we're going to enter the station and get us ourselves a night train that'll take us further south. Join me. We of course aren't taking the local train. We are taking the night train, a sleeper train that will take us over 500 kilometers southbound to that little tiny state of Goa. Namaskar. Oh wow, okay. This here is the departure hall for the national trains, and as you can see, there's a lot of travelers out here along with me. Wow, it's quite busy, isn't it? Oh, here we are. I have to check where my train is. Where is it coming? Am I stuck in between the seats here? I mean, we can escape a bit. Hello. Namaste. Here we go. Departures. 11:05. That's it. Platform 18. I can't read it right now. There we go. The Konkan Express. Did you hear my perfect pronunciation? Oh, okay. You got about 45 minutes. I got samosas just in case. I had a big dinner. I hope that chicken tandoori shish kebab isn't going to bite me in the ass. Pretty sort of literally. Should be all right. But we're going to need some water for on the trip. Namaskar. Mineral water. Hey. Good evening. All right, we are set in the water. Namaste. Enjoy the food. Yeah, it's okay. Station food. Yeah, for a station, there's a lot of food here. What are you eating? Like pao?
Sandwich.
A pao.
Egg.
Oh, this is the famous Mumbai egg sandwich, no? I haven't tried it yet. I've tried a lot of. I can try my like half a life.
Which is your favorite one?
Here in India, and I won't eat all the food that you guys have. So I still have a long way to go, but I'll get there eventually. Take it easy, guys. See ya. All right, we are set with water here. Wow, look at all the people here waiting for their trips. Platform 18, that way. So yeah, just in case, I've also brought some samosas. In case the hunger hits us. Beep, beep. Oh, look at this, platform 18. Konkan. Namaste. How are you? Hey, little one. Where are you traveling to? Where are you going? Kahan? To?
Kolhapur.
Kolhapur. Is it in the north, in the south?
My name is Konkan.
Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you, man. Which train are you going?
I'm a ticket train is going.
Which platform?
Platform number 22. Today? 770.
Ah, it's big platform here for the national trains.
Yes, yes.
How long is your journey?
Happy.
How long? Oh, I have something in Hindi for that.
300.
How many hours? 300 hours? No. 8 hours.
Kilometer.
300 kilometers. 8 hours. Ah, yeah. I'm going down to Goa. I have like
Goa?
10 hours. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
All right.
Your
Let's.
looking is very handsome.
Oh, thanks, sir. Yeah. That's why I travel.
My wife, sir.
Is why. I'm not gonna put the 1 plus 1 here together. I don't think it's that way. Hello. Nice to meet you. How are you?
My son, sir.
Hello. Hey, little one. You ready for the trip?
Yes, yes, sir.
Acha?
Yeah.
Yeah, TK. You on the sleeper train?
No, sleeper train.
How are the sleeper trains? Good to sleep?
Good, very good, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hi. Han. I said hi, that's Japanese. That's not the one. Hey, Hong Kong. What's this? 18? Platform 18. Oh, big baggage. Big baggage. It looks like it's here already, folks. Oh, here comes another one. Here comes the other, sir. Oh, here's your train. Hey, you found it. Very good. His train arrived. Looks like the Konkan Express is right here. Look at the mighty locomotive. Oh, look at all that cargo here. It's the Konkan cargo. All waiting to get loaded up still. Oh, this is the cargo. Maybe we can get in here. This is where you get the free rides. I'm pretty stoked. I like trains very much. I like to travel on them too. And you know, it's nice to enjoy a view, but it's also nice to go to sleep and wake up and you're already halfway there. Train number.
Hi.
Hey, namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to India.
Hey, thanks, man. How are you? You're going on the Konkan? You're going on the Konkan train?
Goa.
You're going to Goa? You're going? Você fala português?
No.
No? No português. Which carriage? Where am I going? Do you know?
Next.
Do you know which carriage?
Konkan. Konkan Kanya.
Yeah, we got the Konkan Kanya. Oh, what's the pronunciation? Konkan Kanya.
Konkan Kanya.
Yeah, good pronunciation. Almost as good as mine.
Hi.
S350.
Which one?
Number. S3.
S3.
Bye.
Yes. Hey, bye bye. Pedro Moto is the channel.
What?
Pedro Moto is the channel. Say it again, sir. Bye bye.
S3.
S3
51 number.
51.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Dhanyavad. S3 is
S3 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
okay. Okay, let's go find it. S3. Number seat 51.
51.
Dhanyavad. Have a good evening. Are you going to go on the Konkan Express? Are you going to Goa?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go, man. Very nice.
Very nice.
This is us. Oh, wow. All right. Can we check him out? Let's check him out. I don't need to be inside already. Still got like half an hour. Let's have a look. Hey guys. Also going on the Konkan Express. What a coincidence. Yeah, enjoy your trip. Bathroom facilities here. 51. 51. Good evening.
Same coach.
What's that?
S3.
Yeah, S3. We're S3 gang.
Yes.
S3. I heard it's the best one.
How many colleagues you are? How many colleagues you are?
From where I am.
Huh?
Netherlands.
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 You are
And Portuguese.
Portuguese.
I'm going to go to the land of my ancestors again. Yeah.
Ancestors.
Hope I find my Indian ancestors.
Ancestors.
Which station are you going?
Kuda.
Pura.
And you are Madgaon.
Yeah, Margao. Thivim.
Thivim.
Probably Margao. Enjoy the view a little bit longer. You're going to see family.
No, only 3 persons we are.
Only 3
Your
persons.
daughter.
Hello. How are
We
you?
going to our native place.
We are native. Yeah.
place,
So to where you are born. Very cool.
And my brothers and that younger sister will come tomorrow.
Yeah. So it's the whole family together. Well, very good. We'll see each other still on the Konkan. This is us. So I think 51 is yeah, and then 51 is probably the bottom one, right? That's good.
Lower one.
That's good. Have a good trip.
Okay,
I'll see you.
See you.
Okay. Namaste. Let's have a look. Oh, 51 is up. Oh, look at this. They stacked all the foreigners together.
I know, we're Indians actually.
Yeah, me too. Here, 51. All right, we're going to wait outside a little bit longer. So where are you going? Oh, now we can hear. It's good. The Konkan train is quiet. Where are we going? MP. Is that the name?
Yeah, Abdul Javed Khan.
Your name?
Haji, mera
Haji.
naam.
Abdul Naam, right? Mera naam Pedro.
Acha.
Nice to meet you all.
Nice.
So you're going to MP?
MP. Rajdhani Bhopal.
Rajdhani Bhopal. Bhopal.
Bhopal.
And you're going on the Konkan? No, because this goes to Goa. Mahanagri. Other train. All right.
You can understand in Hindi.
Bahut nahi. Bahut nahi. Gori. Very little.
Rajdhani Bhopal.
Have a very good journey then.
Yeah.
Yes.
A blessed journey, no problem, just straight to Bhopal. Assalamu alaikum.
We are going after Saudi Arabia.
You're going to Saudi? To Riyadh?
Return there.
Wapis. I was in Riyadh. Only airport.
Makkah and Medina.
Mecca, Medina. On the pilgrimage. Very good, sister.
20 days return.
20 days.
Return.
And how? By airplane or?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Have you been already? Or are you going?
No.
They're going.
No.
They come. They come back. They finish.
Finish.
How is the difference between India and Saudi Arabia?
जवाब दे
It's shy. It's okay. I think it was a acha experience. It was acha. Yeah. I heard a horn. It's moving. The Konkan Express is moving. Bye bye, Alavis. Bye. It's happening. I'll see you. Bye. Safe journey. Bye. The Konkan Express is moving. It's one hell of a long train. So, goodbye Mumbai. We spent at least a couple of weeks here. It's been my pleasure to meeting lots of people here, to seeing you out here. Some of you are watching that I met out in the streets. And really, like I said already a couple of times before, I hope that the rest of India is as good as Mumbai has been to me. So we're going to see. The journey into India and whatever is to come really begins now. All right, the Konkan Express has picked up some speed. And we're on our way now. You're excited? You're excited? Yeah. Where are you going? Maharashtra. The end of the south.
Before Goa?
Oh, before Goa? Yeah, but south Maharashtra. Yeah, very nice. Alone?
Alone.
Yes. solo? Back to family? No? Yeah.
Town there and village.
You live in big city Mumbai, no?
Bandra.
Bandra. Very nice. Very nice. Have you been on the sleeper train before?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's easy to sleep.
I don't have ticket also. I have only general ticket. I don't have full all seats are full.
We'll have to find out. I can't hear you anymore. The Konkan Express is very loud. Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
हिंदी बोलो हिंदी.
How do you say?
इधर जा.
I forgot to say how are you? How कैसे हो? How कैसे हो?
ठीक है.
ठीक है. अच्छा. I forgot my little Hindi.
हम सिंधुदुर्ग जाने वाला है. गोवा. सिंधुदुर्ग.
Han, Goa. Mujhe Goa. On the Konkan Express.
कोंकण एक्सप्रेस.
Also, Konkan Express is acha.
अच्छा.
I like. It's fast now.
हाँ. वो में.
Yeah.
हाँ. जाएगा.
First we go to Dadar station.
दादर स्टेशन.
Yeah.
दादर स्टेशन आएगा. बाद में ठाणा.
Yeah.
ठाणा आएगा. ठाणा. दादर से ठाणा.
Dadar.
Dadar. Who's coming in Dadar?
Dadar
Station's
station.
coming. Yeah. Exactly. All right, guys. Have a good trip. We'll see each other. Hello again.
Yeah.
You almost thought your father and your husband was not coming. We were outside waving goodbye, bye. And it's like, no, it's going. The train is going. Come back inside.
He has that habit now. He has that habit. Like
You did that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did he forget the train one time?
No, he wouldn't forget it.
He's playing, huh?
He always go out when train stops.
Are you coming first time?
Yes, the first time. First time in India, first time India sleeper train. Second time on the sleeper train. One time I was in China. 28 hours sleeper train. From Guangzhou to Chongqing in China.
No, which area you are from?
Oh, me? I'm from China.
No,
No.
you are not China. You are
No, I am from Netherlands. But born in Portugal. We're filling up. Now I'm probably going to be sitting in someone's seat. Then I'll have to leave you guys.
They are searching. They are searching.
I like chilling here. How do you say chilling in Hindi? What? Mazaya. Just talking, Mazaya. We've been Mazaying. Mazaya. Okay. It was nice Mazaying with you guys. I'll see you later.
Now people are saying,
Namaste. Okay. Let's go to my people. Oh, there we go again. Very nice. Namaste. Hello. Have a good journey. Yeah, this is it. Here we are. Oh, let's get on here. This is going to be interesting. Right next to the fans. तुम कैसे हो?
He speaks English.
तुम्हारा नाम? Oh,
Nothing. Uncle making mistake.
very,
Say, how are you?
very shy.
Yeah.
मुझे चाचा विदेशी. Oh, no. How are you? Oh, English, English. You know English?
Yes. Say, Babu say poem. Say want to buckle my shoe.
He's very shy.
Yeah.
How's it going?
He's getting scared.
कैसे हो? Okay? You going to Goa? You also got a nice pillow.
Yeah.
We are,
30 rupees.
we are
It is
Konkan.
30 rupees per kilo.
Yeah, we got 30 rupees for pillow and a blanket. We are sleeper train ballers. We're living it up.
Okay, you are recording this?
Yes. Oh, I just bumped into
What's
the
your name?
pillow man. Pedro.
Pedro.
Nice to meet you, neighbor.
Manuel.
Abdi? Sabdi?
Manuel.
How do you say neighbor in Hindi? Sabdi, Abdi,
Padosi.
Parosi.
Padosi.
He's my Parosi. What's your name?
Manuel.
Manuel.
Yeah.
Manuel.
Yeah.
Hey, El Manuel.
In Goa they say for Peter, they say for in Portugal you also say Pedro.
Yeah,
But
Pedro.
In Konkan, in Goa we say Peter.
Peter.
My brother's
No,
name
they
is
have to
Pedro.
say Pedro. In Goa, they have to say Pedro. It's the, I hear babies are still born in Goa, and they give them the name Pedro.
But in English when we write Peter.
Peter.
When in
No, has to-
Portugal we write Pedro.
Exactly. Has to be Pedro, no Peter. No Peter. Nice to meet you, man.
Because
Hey, monkey.
See what uncle is saying?
He wants to get through the camera. Nice to meet you, sir. I'm sorry to hear about your family.
Yeah.
My condolences. I was talking to Manuel. Hey, buddy. Why are you so scared? How old? 2 years? 2 years old?
3 years.
Afraid?
3 years.
It's all right. We're gonna see what's going down. It's all right, boy. We're gonna have a look. We're gonna have a look what's going on in the Konkan Express. Before everybody goes to sleep. Namaskar. Good night. Sleep well. All right, let's check out the facilities here. We got running water, sweet. Oh, the toilet. Oh, nice. Could be worse. But it smells like it looks in here. Nice big water thing. Oh yeah. At least we're set. Just in case, we good? Hey, namaste boys. How are you? Very good. Oh, they closed the doors now. Yeah. Now the Konkan is going fast. I like it. Did you guys get bunks to sleep?
No, you have sick?
Do you have a bunk to sleep or no?
No, we are sick.
You reserve ticket, like waiting list?
Yeah, waiting
But you
list.
don't get the bunk.
Wow.
So you're just gonna sit here?
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna get a pillow?
No, we don't have pillow, but don't need pillow.
Just hardcore.
We are going to play cricket match.
To cricket match. Oh, in Hyderabad.
No. In Belgaum.
Bellingham. You guys are playing. You're cricket players. Very good. Nice to meet you guys. I'll see you later.
Thanks.
All right. I'll always love this. Look at this. It's like that. This is how you lose weight, right? One of those machines. Namaskar.
नमस्कार
How are you?
तुम्ही आली हो
Kiss you.
तुम्ही आली हो गेला
Oh, what are you? Hello. Oh. Can you get to the restaurant there? Yeah? Ticket check. Yeah, check. Namaste. Ticket. Oh, yes. I'm in number S3. Namaskar. Good evening, sir. Ticket check. So much is happening. It's already dark in this one. Namaste. Enjoy. Oh, there's a big meal here. Very nice. Enjoy your food. Thank you. I already ate. I ate a big murga tandoori shish kebab. Big one. Netherlands. I know. I am so full already, but thank you. Look at this. Oh, too full. I am too full. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sometimes it's really hard to say no to food. Hey, how's it going? How are you? Hey, the window's open here. Door. We are going. Let's go. Konkan Express. Wow. Fast train. Here it's already dark. Those cowboys. How's it going? Oh, it's a selfie gang here. I can't see you. Wait a second. Yeah, here we are. Hey. What's up, boys? His world, Indian boys are sitting. How's it going? Where are you from?
I'm from Thane. I'm from Thane.
Thane?
Yeah.
Thane? Oh, you got a window here. Nice, man. From Thane? Netherlands.
Netherlands. That's a nice place.
Have you been? You want to go? It's not so nice as in India. But if you can go, you should go one day.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Goa.
Goa, where?
North Goa.
Karangur.
Yeah.
Which station are you getting out? Thivim. I think I'm also getting out on Thivim. So.
Sure, we will meet in Goa.
Yeah. Are you originally from Goa? You have family in Goa? No?
We are friends.
Just a vacation?
Yeah.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah.
It's the weekend for the boys. Okay. Very nice to meet y'all, man. Have a good trip. You going to sleep tonight, you think? No.
I'm not planning this.
I hope I can sleep a little. You guys are still very young. It'll be alright. I'll see you later. Bye. I am very slow, forgive me. I am slow reduction. How's it going? Is this restaurant here? Can you go here? Have a look. Is this a restaurant? What's that? Oh, look. Sorry, bro. Like this?
Yes.
Okay. All good? What's up, bro? Yo, Money. The water boys. What's he?
Boss.
He's the boss? Boss man?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Are you joking with him? Yeah.
No one selfie.
I'll see you later, boys. Ooh. What's this? Oh, I have to go that
We
way.
are closing the pantry.
Ah, okay. There's nothing more that way.
Enough.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a good evening. Have a good evening. Ciao, boys. Pantry closed.
Okay, thank you. Good night.
The chef went to sleep. All right. We explored the train a little. That's about it. I am good, thank you. I have some pani, some mineral water. You guys going to sleep now?
Huh?
You guys going to sleep now?
Sleeping.
All right. Have a good night. Good night. Okay, I'll close it good. Oh yeah. Okay. You close it after? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Good night. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow morning on the Konkan Express.
Sunrise video did you shoot it?
Yeah, I woke up early.
Hey, good morning, guys.
10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago, you woke
Yeah. We have left the great state of Maharashtra and are now in Goa. Having gone further down south on the Konkan plains. It's the middle section, 1/3 of the western coast of India. But the Konkan Express has been marching on through the night. I caught some sleep. As you can see, I'm well rested. I know there's chai men running around for the last 2 hours shouting chai. I'm gonna get me some of that. Welcome to Goa. I hear so many times. Chai. Chai man? Chai man. Shubha Prat.
Good morning.
Pura chai. No more chai? Chai hai? Ek. Big chai. 2 chai. Free chai. Kitna? Kitna hua? Do, yeah. Oh, no, it's okay. No, one for now. I'll get one later. Cool, this please. There you go. Pro cameraman, bro. Kitna hua? That's 10. Hey, look at this, India. No crazy prices because you're on a train, you know? Because you're on transport, so it's more expensive. Here comes. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look. River rock. Wow. We're in nature land. This one is my most special chai of all my time in India until now.
That's great. Everyone loves tea.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, welcome.
Oh, boys.
There is another guy here. This one.
Oh, bro, you look like dinosaur. Yeah. Me too, man. I'm Tyrannosaurus. Which one are you?
Which one species are you?
What did you do to your hair? Did you already do it?
What? Just do a haircut.
Okay.
Look at him. Look at him. So nice hands. Yeah.
Trying to hold my breath. Did you get any sleep? Yeah? Shuprabhat. Oh, we can sit again. I sleep a little. I need more chai. All morning. Chai. Oh, wait, chai. Yeah, oh, coffee. Yeah. Anybody want some coffee? No coffee? I never drink coffee. Also 10. Yes. They have. Yeah, exactly. They have good, honest prices on the Konkan Express, 10 rupees. Yeah, I got one. Thank you. No coffee? What? Oh, you want to sit down?
And for us conversation.
You want to sit down?
बैठना है
Coffee.
आपको? बैठना है आपको?
Thank you, bud. Thank you.
Let's go. Hello, hello. Copy, copy. Copy, get up. Let's copy, copy.
One more time.
Copy, get up.
This is I think one of my first coffees in India so far. I only had chai. Today it's okay. We need it. Ooh.
How is it?
How is it?
Premix, not as good as Indian chai. Indian chai, they do their best. They cook it, spices. Hour making chai.
Have you had on Tapri?
Our-
Like the tea stall, small tea stall? So,
Had what?
have you had tea on tea stall, small tea stall?
The chai,
Yeah.
tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, many stores everywhere. Chai.
They taste different.
chai masala.
Yeah.
It's the best. And some lemon tea sometimes. No, it's very good. It's my favorite with lots of ginger. Ginger.
Price of coffee.
The price in
in
Netherlands, if this was in a train, normally the coffee would probably cost €2 anywhere, but because it's on the train, it will probably cost €4 because they're crazy. I was saying that's why it's honest prices, because they keep it normal price on the train. Thanks, India. Railway.
Don't forget.
Benny, is it?
Yeah.
Buona viagem.
Yeah, bon viagem.
Keep on trucking along, Mr.
Yeah.
Traveler.
Take care. Take care of yourself.
Ciao.
I take care of myself.
I got so double check. Oh,
Yeah, check.
I got this. I got my backpack. Yeah, looking good. Arrivederci. All right, Thivim station in Goa. We're all getting off.
Bye.
Hey, little buddy.
Photos.
It's your Chacha. Chacha. It's Chacha Pedro. We were friends off camera.
Bye and wish you safe journey.
Hey, all the best.
Ciao,
My
guys.
condolences
Ciao.
again. All the best with the
Yeah.
family and the funeral, and safe trip back later. And stop. Come.
Welcome.
Welcome to Thivim.
You're also getting down?
Yes.
Okay.
Bem-vindo a Goa.
My forefather.
Bye, little bro.
Bye. Bye. Say bye.
Maybe I have some ancestors still here. Who knows?
Good.
I have to go find them.
Where are you
Look.
going to? From
Lots
here?
of-
From where they are going?
Direction of Vagator. I got a place around Vagator. Bom dia. I need to find the Portuguese speaking people.
My daddy knows Portuguese, but he's no more there now. He's from Portuguese time, no, my daddy.
Yeah.
86 years old.
I believe, yeah. He speaks Portuguese, right?
I don't know, my daddy used to speak.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Oh,
All my family members are gone to Portugal.
Yeah. They gone? Yeah.
They already gone there. My mama family, there are 4 children. All 4 children went to Portugal.
No, they're still there.
They're
They stay
working there.
Ah, yeah.
Most of the, if you go Panjim side,
Yeah.
half of the Panjim is empty.
Yeah,
All of
wow.
them gone to Portugal because they got the Portuguese passport, no?
Is it easy for Goa people to get
Yeah, it's
passport?
very easy. If your father is born before 1936,
Ah, so if your father is born before
if your father or
1936.
mother, if your father,
Oh wow, I didn't know that. You can get a
yeah, if your
passport
father is born
easier.
before 1936,
Wow.
so your father gets the passport.
You want help with the suitcase?
So on your father's passport, the children can get the passport fast.
Oh, interesting.
And within because my cousin, they went within maybe 6-7 months.
Okay.
All 4 of them they went. Now their mother and daddy is in.
So everybody, yeah. So half the town left.
They are in good now. They
Bye
come
bye,
and go now.
Konkan Express. Thank you, Sukriya. It was a good train. I recommend the Konkan Express. Oh, look at how busy it is up there.
A lot of people get down at this station.
Yeah. Definitely. Hey, party boys. I'm coming with you. You made it.
Yeah.
Did you catch some sleep? No, your friends did not.
yeah.
No sleep, eh?
Sleep.
All right, walking out of Thivim station here. And it's a different game in Goa. The auto rickshaws and the taxis, no meters, just straight up non-stop haggling for every ride you get. But since we're going about 20 kilometers, I'm gonna take a bus. Look at this. We're now doing the Goa live. Namaste. Alright, the first church over there, Christian church, of course, Catholic church. Beep beep. Probably the most Christian state in India. Namaste. No motorbike. Oh, motorbike. Shukriya. Namaste. Mapusa.
After that, sir.
Mapusa that side. Thank you. Oh, yeah. I was going to cross it in front of it. Hey, good day, sir, man. Our first Goan cow. Oh, maybe the Jesus bus. Maybe it's the Jesus bus. Take the wheel, Jesus. Namaste. Mapusa. Mapusa.
Mapusa.
Very good. Mapusa bus. Mapusa. There we go. We're on that Mapusa bus. Fill her up. Kitna paisa?
30 rupees per
20.
person.
Thank you.
20.
Shukriya.
Side आपका पाछा 20 rupees ना
20.
Mapusa. Dhanyavad. Mapusa. All right. Now we find a bus to Vagator. That's pretty dope. I like the name, Vagator. Buses remind me a bit of South America. You know, we just came off the Jesus bus, and here you have the God is Great bus. That's what they do in South America too. They have like big pictures of Jesus on it. It's pretty dope. Hey! Hello. No, I'm going to a Vagator. Vagator bus. Watch out, watch out. Hey, attention, my friend. Hey, you gotta watch it here, right? This is India. This is India, my friend. I think that's the one. The prophesied bus. Driven by the Swami. Vagator. Namaskar. Vagator. Shukriya. Shukriya. Oh, just on time too, I think. Namaste. Vagator. What's the pronunciation? Vagator. Too hectic. It's too hectic here to learn Hindi. Vagator. Vagatur. Ah, Vagatur. Oh, dare I say it? So far, perfect pronunciation. Vagatur. I was close. Netherlands. You're from Goa? Nice beach, Vagatur. Nice place, Vagatur. Yeah. We can dance to it, like, hey, you know? we go, Vagatur. Yeah. Vagatur. Our bus driver is not too happy. Bad scooter, bad scooter. Here's another one. These bus drivers here mean business. Whoa, nice sunnies, bro.
Welcome, my friend. Welcome
Hey,
to Goa.
welcome,
Yeah,
welcome.
yeah, yeah.
What's your business here?
I rent out cars and all.
Aye,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Namaskar. It's reception or inside?
Your room category is my full.
Hmm?
This room full.
Oh,
the
but
small one. This is look like deluxe room is full.
Yeah, but okay, but I booked it online.
Online.
So I booked it like yesterday.
Yesterday, huh?
Yeah. Yes. Oh, nice. So is it okay? So how long is this room?
I think 2
2 nights? Oh, bro, that's dope. Thank you. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. They have some very damp rooms they showed me first. It took a while to organize, but all good in the end. You hear some stories sometimes like, sorry, even if you booked it online, you can't stay here. And that marks the end of our beautiful train ride down to Goa. And we're gonna stick around down here for a bit. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next Southern Indian adventure. Yeah, that sounds good. Ciao.